Guys, in this video I will show you how you can add video to your Wix website or store. It's really easy, and first what you need to do here is you need to open up a Wix editor, and then the next step what you need to do here on the left side there is a bunch of different buttons here, so you need to press on plus sign that says add, right? And you will have this little pop-up, and then on search bar just write video, right? Alright, so let's write video, and here you will have different options. So you can add transparent video, you can add Wix video, or you can add single video players. So if I press on that, as you can see here, I can upload video, I can basically copy link from YouTube, Vimeo, Facebook, or Dailymotion, and more. So let's say I want this one, YouTube. And as you can see here, you will have this video player that you can basically change size and do a bunch of different things. But when you basically expand these circles, but I just want to change the video to mine, right? So press change video, select the basically website where your video is, then you need to grab your video link, right? So just press share and then copy the link, go back on the Wix editor, put the link here, right? And as you can see here, your video is here. And also you can play with the playback options, so you can turn off autoplay or turn on, or also you can play in a loop, or also you can add video description, right? And that's pretty much it, how you can add video to your Wix site or store. So guys, if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.